Hey, today I'm going to show you my CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript project. So let's get started. First of all, we are login with the username and password, which is my username. And if I enter some information wrong, for example, the password is incorrect, it will alert me to invalid password or incorrect password. If I am going with the correct username and password, it will land me to the dashboard. So sign in. Here is my dashboard, which is different type of books comes randomly from the database. And if I'm going to do search, for example, here I can able to search with the ISBN number, the book title, and the author name. For example, I'm going to search for this particular book. I can search and it will fetch the detail of that particular book from the database. When I click to the see book detail, it will give more detail of that book. So as I can see that the title of the book, the author, the ISBN, the publisher, and also the review from the good readers, which is the famous website of book reading review, and it is the live review from their website. So I can also go for more detail by clicking this link, and it will be land me to the page of the good readers for that particular book. So for example, I have multiple books from the same author, so I will write just name of that author and get the 10th or 12th result from the database of that particular author. For example, this book, I want to see the result of this book, and it will show me the detail of that book also. Next, I can also write a review for that particular book. By the way, the cover images come from this library. I use this library in my code, which is very useful for showing the cover of any book with the ISBN number or the title. So I can give review. For example, I select 3 stars and write this is very good book and press submit. My review will be submit and display to me as and also show me the flash message of review submitted, and also it show me the previous user who wrote about this book, so all the details from that. And one last thing is that when I go and search for the API for this, which was the requirement in the project. So when I go to the API slash book detail slash the ISBN number, it will show the raw data, means JSON object data, which show the average rating and average score and every detail in the form of JSON object. For example, if I am entering the wrong ISBN number, it will show me the 404 error, which is here. And for example, I place the wrong ISBN number for book detail, it will show me the no such book found with this ISBN number. Here it is. Go back to home. Then lastly, I log out, and I can also create the new user by clicking the sign up button, and here I type Asad, some password. Now I can sign in with Asad. with the username, not with password. Mail. And here I am with the user of Asad. Now I can also see the reviews and everything which I show you already. So this is it for this project. Shazad Ahir, and this is CS50 Web. Thank you so much.